Today we'll study about nuclear energy. The atom of all the elements consists of a central core called the nucleus. In the nucleus, proton and neutrons are present and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. The nucleus of heavy element is unstable. If a slow moving neutron strikes it, it splits into two nuclei. When this happens, the mass of the nucleus decreases, which is converted into energy. So we can say that the energy obtained from the conversion of nuclear mass is known as nuclear energy. The nuclear reactions are of two types: nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. In nuclear fission, the nucleus of uranium is bombarded with neutron, which results in the splitting of the nucleus of uranium to two small nuclei. In this process, tremendous amount of energy is produced. At the same time, neutrons are also produced. These neutrons trigger another fission reaction, which is called nuclear chain reaction. The second type of nuclear reaction is nuclear fusion. In this, the isotopes of hydrogen, that is deuterium and tritium, combine together to form helium atom. In this process also, tremendous amount of energy is produced. Nuclear reactor is a device in which electricity is produced by the process of controlled nuclear fission reaction. In the core of the nuclear reactor, uranium is bombarded with neutrons, which produces enormous amount of heat energy. This heat energy is absorbed by the coolant and transferred to water present in the heat exchanger. The water is converted into high pressure steam, which is used to run the turbine of the generator to produce electricity. The advantages of nuclear energy. Most important advantage of nuclear energy is that it produces enormous amount of energy from small amount of fuel. Once a nuclear reactor is loaded with nuclear fuel, it continues producing electricity for few years. There is no need to add fuel again. It also does not emit gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, which causes greenhouse effect. Disadvantages of nuclear energy. There are chances of accidental leakage of radiations, and the biggest problem is the safe disposal of nuclear waste, because it also produces harmful radiations which causes diseases like cancer, leukemia and blindness. It also causes genetic disorders in human body. Next disadvantage, the initial installation cost of nuclear power plant is very high. Last, availability of fissionable uranium is limited. Thank you. Hope you have understood the topic.